Today we'll show you how to export and import iconic show single variations visibility settings. We'll be able to bulk update hundreds of variations using a CSV file, and best of all, we can even work offline and then import the variation data. To do this, we'll need to install the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to bulk update any field of your WooCommerce products using an intuitive spreadsheet. We'll also need to install the WP Sheet Editor Iconic Show Single Variations extension to make WP Sheet Editor and Show Single Variations by Iconic fully compatible. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. Before exporting our variations, we need to filter them so that we work only with the products we need. To do this, open the Search tool. Now tick the Search and Variations checkbox. And run the search. This will filter all variable products and display their variations under the main products. After we have filtered the product variations, we can export our products to a CSV file in order to edit their show single variations visibility offline. To do this, we'll open the Export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export only the name, show in search results, show in catalog, show in filtered results, listings only, and disable add to cart columns. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. After exporting and opening the CSV file, you'll see a document like this, and you'll be able to edit the columns you want. In the case of the show in search results, show in catalog, show in filtered results, listings only, and disable add to cart columns, you need to select the number 1 to enable, and leave the cells empty or add a 0 to disable each option. When you're done, save the file if you are working with Excel, but in this case we'll have to download the file, since we've edited it with Google Sheets. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to create new items and update existing items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct product. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now we can see a preview of how the information will look once it's imported. If everything is okay, click here to start the import process. As you can see, the products have been imported and the changes were correctly applied. This is how easy and fast you can export, edit offline, and import your show single variations visibility and other settings for your WooCommerce products using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that in the video description you'll find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.